It is only one kit vial that we can clear at a time. However, it may be more than one specific conditions that we can clear in addition to the kit vial. It is important to test which vial you should be clearing by putting in the opposite hand that you're doing the test and having him or her just hold on to the vial. Then after saying the following, strong is yes, weak is no, should he or she be cleared from this vial today? If she or he tests strong, the answer is yes. If they test weak, then the answer is no. Should more than one vial return back with a strong yes, then at the end, take the set of vials, set them apart, and have the client pick, without looking, a vial for you to test. Say the following, strong is yes, weak is no. Should he or she be cleared from this vial over the others? There should be just one vial that tests strong, but if there are more, eliminate those that have tested weak and carry on with strong vials, repeating the process over and over again until there is just one vial remaining. The physical vial that you use to test clients with is the exact same one that you rebalance clients with. If a physical vial does not exist, then you must inform head office of the need for such a vial. In the meantime, just say to the client that you don't have that vial right now. Test it onto the client's finger strength. If she tests weak, then begin the clearing process. After rebalancing the client, in 2 weeks or 1 week, when the client returns, recheck them on the substance. If it is clear, move to the next vial to be checked and cleared. If it is not clear, rebalance it again. If the client is bringing in a sample to be tested on, if she tests positive, then place the bag of ingredients onto the allergy clearing machine. Food. There are various items associated with foods. These include meat, vegetables, legumes, shellfish, to name a few. If the substance remains rebalanced, but the client still complains about it, then have the client bring in the sample of food. It should be no bigger than the size of the space created when you touch your tip of your index finger to the tip of your thumb. If the food still tests strong, there may be a cluster allergy, which means that the client experiences no allergy symptoms when taking the food independently, but does experience allergy symptoms when taking the foods together. This only affects about 5% of the population. If this cluster allergy is suspected, then have the client bring in whatever she's eating with the substance in a plastic bag. They do not have to be, nor should they be separated. Just instruct the client to place the contents into one bag. Begin the clearing process. Seasonal. There are 11 items to test for and rebalance. The sequence of these 11 items is dependent on what season we are in. For example, if we were in the spring, we would probably rebalance trees and grasses first. However, if it was in the winter, we'd probably rebalance indoor molds and dust first. The 11 items to be cleared are trees, grasses, weeds, indoor molds 1, indoor molds 2, outdoor molds 1, outdoor molds 2, sinuses, dust and histamine together, geopathic stressors 1 and geopathic stressors 2. Cats and dogs. Alongside the cat and dog vial will be an additional cat and dog fur that you can get tested and cleared. And this fur you will collect from clients. Tell the client that dogs are often cleared within 2 to 3 sessions and cats are cleared within 3 to 4. However, we will clear the second and third sessions in conjunction with clearing another item. Always include the item called vol meridians to the list of items that you are clearing. These vol meridians cause the meridians to rebalance themselves and is excellent for the prevention of tiredness after a session.